everyone, in this video we are going to see the next type of your direction concept. Your question is R is 20 meters south of S. We don't know where is S is located. Anyway, the R is south of S. So we can consider south, that is S is here. What is it? Which direction is south direction? Towards downward direction. This is the south. R is here. Okay, this is between 20 meter. Now P is 30 meter west of R. The R's upward direction is south, downward direction is R's upward direction is north and downward direction is south, left hand side direction is west. Here P is located. Yes, P is located here, 30 meter. After that, T is 15 meter west of Q. Where is Q is here? We don't know. Which is 20 meter north of P. Which means Q. The condition will be go for Q. Q is 20 meter north of P. So upward direction 20 meter. Which is located. Who is located here? Q. Now T is 15 meter west of Q. The left hand side direction of Q is T. That is west of T, that is west of Q is T is located here, between 15 meter is there. Okay, west of Q. Now V is 40 meter south of T. T is here. Towards downward direction is known as south. Here who is located here? V, 40 meters. The length should be greater than 20 meter because it is 40 meter now. So V is here. Now your question is R is which direction of V? R is which direction of V? According to this V, so from V, the direction R is which direction? From V, the R is located above, towards above. So towards above means north, it is a little bit slanting right, it is called northeast. Okay, we'll move on to the next question. Here next question is, Savita is south of Gayatri and north of Surya. The both condition will go for only Savita. Savita is south of Gayatri. Gayatri is here. According to Gayatri, south direction is towards downward direction. The Savita will be here. And according to the Surya, the Savita is north of Surya. So Surya will be here means the Surya north, upward direction is north. Savita is here. Okay, after that, Saranya is west of Hema. We don't know. But Surya who is in the east of Saranya. One more condition is there. Surya, about Surya. Who means Surya. Okay, is in the east of Saranya. So, if Saranya is located here means the Saranya east direction will be Surya, right hand direction. Okay, now Saranya is west of Hema. We don't know Hema is where. Hema will be here or Hema will be here. Hema will be here. Anyway, the Hema's west direction is Saranya. Okay, we'll keep here. Vishmaya is between Hema and Surya anywhere. So, therefore, definitely Hema is here. Vishmaya is between Hema and Surya. So, now I can consider Hema will be here. So, in between Vimshya is there. Vishmaya is there. Sorry. Okay. Vishmaya is northwest of Anu. Vishmaya is here. Northwest. This direction become northwest means Anu will be here means that is northwest. So Anu will be here means, so upward direction little bit left hand side means that is northwest. Vishmaya is here. Okay. Now, at what is the direction of Saranya with respect to Gayatri? What is the direction of Saranya? Saranya is here with respect to Gayatri. Where is Gayatri? So from this place is Gayatri. From Gayatri, Saranya is towards downward direction. Towards downward direction means south. Little bit left hand side means it is called as southwest. So southwest is your answer. So this is the example of your direction problems. Thank you for watching.